Tired of your school Chromebook blocking your Call of Duty fun? This video will get you back in the game, no hacks needed, in under 2 minutes. First things first, head to the Chrome web store. Just type it into the search bar on your Chromebook, or use the Chrome apps launcher. Once you're there, search for browser extension. Don't worry, we're not installing anything crazy, just something to help manage website connections. Look for a reputable VPN browser extension. A free one will work for this, make sure it has good reviews. Once you've found one, click Install and Add to Chrome. Now, click on the VPN extension icon in the top right corner of your Chrome browser. You will need to create an account using a valid email and password. Choose a server location in a region where Call of Duty isn't blocked. The US or Canada are generally good options to try. Once you selected it, connect to it. Once connected, open a new tab and search for Call of Duty Online Free or Call of Duty browser game. Pick a website that offers the game, don't click on suspicious links, and you're good to go. That's it, you should now be able to play Call of Duty on your school Chromebook. Remember to disconnect from the VPN when you're done to save bandwidth and keep things running smoothly. Good luck out there, soldier.